There were moments when I wondered if I was still seen. Moments when the road felt long and my heart became tired from waiting. But then I remembered, your love has never left me. Your grace was following me. Your mercy was carrying me. And even when I could not find my way to you, your love found me.
I was walking through the silence with a heart that could not see, searching for a place of shelter, searching for a love to carry me.
Then I heard your gentle whisper, calling softly through the night. You were there before I knew you. You were leading me to life.
I don't have to run anymore. I don't have to hide anymore. Your arms are open wide. Your presence is my home.
Your love has found me. Your grace has covered me. Your mercy has lifted me, and now I am free.
Your love has found me when I was far away.
You came and called my name and brought me home again. When my strength was almost failing, when my hope was growing dim, you became my faithful refuge. You reminded me of him. Every burden that I carry,
You invited me to lay down, and the tears that once were falling turned to joy in you somehow.
I don't have to fear anymore. I don't have to strive anymore. Your arms are open wide. Your presence is my home. Your love has found me. Your grace has covered me. Your mercy has lifted me, and now I am free.
Your love has found me when I was far away.
You came and called my name and brought me home again. I thought I was searching for you, but now I understand. You were searching for me. Before I called, you were already near. Before I reached out, your hand was already extended. Before I knew your name, you already knew mine. Your love found me. Your love has found me. Your grace has covered me. Your mercy has lifted me, and now I am free.
Your love has found me when I was far away.
You came and called my name and brought me home
found me.
Thank you, Jesus. Your love found me. Your grace found me. Your mercy found me. And I will never stop singing of the love that brought me home.
Your love has found me. Your love has found me.
Your love has found me. And I am yours forever.